In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate TurboTax Online for the year 2024. This guide will help you get a better understanding of how to manage your investments and savings on the platform, ensuring you make the most of its features for filing your taxes efficiently. Let's begin by heading over to TurboTax Online 2024. You can do this easily via your web browser. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to just get familiar with the interface, as this foundational knowledge will aid our progress. Now, direct your focus to the Investments and Savings section. This is an important area where you'll manage various tax-related forms, such as 1099-B, 1099-INT, 1099-DV, and more. Click on this section. This step is crucial for ensuring all your investment incomes, including those from crypto transactions, are properly accounted for. Then proceed to click on the highlighted area visible on the interface. Doing so will ensure you are right where you need to be to continue without unnecessary hassle. Next, navigate to the Tax Home. This is your central hub for tracking your tax return progress and accessing other relevant sections as well. So make sure to bookmark this location for easy navigation in the future. Continue by clicking on the highlighted spot once more, aiding in continuity and ensuring you're following the correct sequence of actions on the platform. Once you've navigated further, click on Deductions and Credits. This section will guide you through potential deductions